I'm getting this side first.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go get on the other side.
That's mad.
That's hectic.
Yeah.
Fuck. Thank you, guys. Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking 3 wheels, brother. That's fucking crazy. 3 wheels, brother. Yeah, bro. Oh, Lamborghini, brother. That's hectic, man. That's what I said.
I'm gonna drop something back there. Can you check?
Zion.
Zion. Can you just check on the ground? I dropped my thing. Is it there at the back? Is it there? Yeah, thanks, bro.
Oh, you can't be dropping the Alibaba. Oh, you McLaren. Beach, brother. Off its head. That's a fat Mustang. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, we'll do a fucking Yui and shit.
Fucking Yui, yeah.
Fucking Yui. It was hectic, huh? Good, huh, Zion? Let's go.
It's up to the boys in blue.
Let's go, brother. We'll start off here.
Yeah.
Start off with the boys in blue.
So you can go, boss. Lambo. Escort.
Personal escort.
Some escort.
Let's go, brother.
GTR.
Dude. That's hectic, that's crazy.
Color, bro.
It's nice. Oh, yeah, that Civic's nice too, though.
Let's see.
Bro, that white GTR is fucking nice.
Scrape on a leaf.
That's great. Oh, he's a fucking car. Let's go. That's hectic. GTR.
Just like standing in the middle, bro.
That was good. We had a good price. I got a photo with his car. That one's sexy. Wow, this one's that's tough. Wow, look at that big boy. Yeah. Crazy, that's crazy, that's sexy.
Too clean. takeaway shop in the Shire.
Oh.
A lot of runners come here. A lot of runners. This is the longest running.
This kid's climbing up the fucking dune. He's just fucking rolling down. Oh, he's gonna do it, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. That's great.
He just took off, brother.
Yeah, he took off, brother. He took off. Ice, 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 ice. Everyone's getting active. The kids rolling down the fucking hill. That's what we do, mate. Unfortunately, I'm not built for this shit. I ain't jumping in, bro. It's cold as fuck. Oh no, I'm just talking to the camera.
Yeah,
I'm talking to the camera.
Let's do this. What's up, fam? It's your boys Adam and Tuna coming at you live and direct from Cronulla Beach. We're here to pump out another coffee review. I've got a special guest here, one of my good mates, Tuna. We've been smashing out content for you guys for the longest time, and we're back at it here at Cronulla. We've just been pumping high octane, high revolutions, really nice horsepower cars, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoy those videos and clips, okay? But now we're gonna talk about this coffee review, okay? We just had a experience with the Top Shop at Wanda, right?
That's right, Top Shop at Wanda. We're at Cronulla Beach. You know, I've got a cappuccino. Adam's got a latte.
Lactose free with honey.
Well, you know, to prevent them spills, brother. them intestinal
I'm not
spills.
even lactose intolerant.
He does it for the taste.
For the taste, for the taste.
All right.
I'm a connoisseur now.
just for a little backstory. I've got 2 cafes, so come on. I think I'm fucking qualified to do a little coffee review, right?
Absolutely,
yeah.
brother.
Overly qualified.
Probably,
right?
yeah. You're overqualified. Absolutely.
So guys, man, it's been a while since we've been back, so we're a bit rusty on the camera. But you know, let's kick it off.
Let's kick it off. Cheers, brother.
Try the first sip. Let's see how Top Shop at Wanda goes.
Not bad.
Not
Not
bad.
bad.
All right.
Initial thoughts.
All right. Let's give the social media review first. So, brother, this is a 9 out of 10. No. For real.
Yeah.
Right? Look, we did go for a bit of a walk, so it has lost a bit of integrity. So I am gonna, we're not gonna be too harsh on it. But honestly, it's nice. I mean, it's nice and caramel.
Yeah, it's got that velvety smoothness.
Like caramel, right?
Caramel.
Yeah,
I
it's very
agree.
nice. Honestly, not too bad. Doesn't leave like that sour, acidy taste in your mouth. So it's nice and smooth. I think it blended very well with the milk. So no, I think honest to God, I'd give it probably a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Nice, bro.
Yeah, 7
yeah.
out of 10.
For me, I think I'm used to like the area coffee. It's really strong, like it's just high octane, and I expected a little bit more out of this one. As Tuna said, we did go for a little bit of a walk, so the temp has dropped on the coffee, but that's not to be worried. I'll probably give this one, if I'm honest, 6.7.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I was. Yeah.
6.7.
Yeah, exactly. 6.7. Yeah.
Exactly. Like on the like
on the dot.
Yeah. I mean, it's got not enough honey for me to call it like a really nice, beautiful, tasty coffee. But that's just me, man. I got my preferences. You know, I like it a certain way, and that's why I always get it the same at every place. So I know that if they've got a good coffee, they can know how to make everything else good.
That's it.
You know what I mean?
I mean, we're keeping it consistent throughout the whole series. So this is the first collaboration. Adam,
thank you so much, bro. I
thank you,
appreciate it,
brother.
bro.
Adam kicked off the original series. You know, you can check that out on his Instagram, right?
That's it, brother. Adam FXRV.
Make sure you subscribe, like that shit. You know what I mean? We're out here trying to make that YouTube money, brother. Alright? So, brother, help me, man. Help me get those fucking cars that we just done seen, bro.
Help the boys.
Come on, bro.
You know you want to.
No,
Hit that like and subscribe.
Hit it. But honest to God, like for me, we're gonna keep it consistent. So we're always gonna be getting. I'll always be getting my extra hot cap with 1 sugar. Not extra hot, just a bit more hotter than usual, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And then Adam gets his
Latte or cap, depends on the time of the day. Like in Italy, they have this thing where they say cappuccinos in the morning, and after 12, it's got to be a latte. Otherwise,
right?
it's disrespectful. And I'm like, all right, bro, I'll go with that.
This is slapped.
Yeah.
Bello. Nah, but for real, but you know, a little fun fact, right? My parents were just at Italy not too long ago. They charged 25% surcharge just for dine-in.
Oh, wow.
What the fuck is that, bro? That's crazy, bro.
Wow.
That's wild. That's wild to me.
Crazy. Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah,
But it's part of the service. It's part of the establishment, man.
Do they
Come
give you
on,
like a
bro.
back rub and all?
Oh no! Oh, you would with the quick, you know, like towards the towards the end, right?
Oh, brother.
After a long seating, you know, they're gonna get the Balahash at the end.
All right, boys. And ladies and gentlemen, it's your boys Adam and Tuna. We'll see you soon. All right. Look forward to more videos.
Appreciate it, guys.
Cheers.
Love you guys, dude.
Zion, a quick interview. How are you today, Zion? How are you today? Give me the hot chocolate review.
I don't know, but I like it.
How was your experience today?
Yeah, I don't know, my long call, my favorite call, Lamborghini,
Yeah.
McLaren. I really like it.
Was this like the first time you kind of seen these cars?
Like, in the future, I think I will get one.
Yeah, that's it. Nah, good job. Thank you for coming out today, man. You know, thank the viewers, thank the fans. You know?
Thank you for everyone watching. Just remember to subscribe and like video.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Have a nice day.
That's my nephew, man.